But I mean, the inside smells really, really nice. Welcome back to the luxury playlist. I'm so excited. Today I'm bringing you a few items from a particular seller, and I just want to let you know, I want to teach you and like show you what is available. I want to be an educator, so this is the luxury playlist. This is exactly what we do. I bring you what to look for and how to look for it, and I hope this is very educational. First off, if you want to connect with me for any of the information, please do so on Instagram. Check the description below for all the information that you need to be in contact with me. But I'm so excited to introduce you to somebody that I have been working with for just a little bit. And the reason why I really want to bring this particular person to you is because there are options. We have lots of options for things, and so there are different tiers of quality that you can go for depending on your budget. And so I'm not mad about these. These are very affordable, and so let me just get right into it and show you what these beauties are looking like. And I have a few different brands, so link below in the comments what's your favorite brand. What is it? Just comment below. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Yves Saint Laurent, like what is it? The first bag I'm gonna come to you with is one of my all-time favorite brands, is Louis Vuitton. Of course, Louis Vuitton is my favorite. This bag is called the Montaigne BB, and I'm gonna show you my pros and cons and all of things. So she did not come in a box, but she came in this dust bag, and so this is what her dust bag is looking like. Here she is. So here is how she came. She is fully like stuffed. She came with the little handle, and here is her strap. So right off the bat, like I have looked at this bag. I'm gonna input to the side of like the authentic bag, but I did not find one thing with the pattern. The monogram is on point, is literally on point. So I'm very excited for that. And the inside, I'll just take out this foam. I'm going on a date tonight. I might use this purse. I might use this bag. She's looking really pretty. Honestly, the feel, it feels so good. This is the BB, and so it does come in the MM. So this is a smaller, of course, on the smaller side. I still have her wrapped up with I don't want the leather to get discolored until I properly protect her. So that, and here's what her inside is looking like. Very beautiful inside, and then the bottom. Okay, and then her strap. The strap is wider at the top, and it thins out at the bottom, and these just go right here on the side. So you're gonna be able to carry her like that. So very beautiful bag. I'm just very pleased with it. There is a little clamp here. Let me just take this plastic off. It is kind of like the Neverfull bag where you can clamp it together like that. So she's closed like that. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bag. So 10 out of 10 recommend. I am very happy with it. So yeah, that is the bag. All right, so that's the Louis Vuitton. I'm just gonna keep her out because I'm gonna use that. And next I have a Gucci. Now, again, quality on these bags is, I want to say that they are the higher, you know, and you could say it's for a quality or whatever, but even if somebody tells you that, it might not be. So honestly, I'm just going to say these are really great. Like, they're almost mirror to the authentic. So I want to say that they are literally really, really great. And I know with this particular person, you're going to get a really good deal as far as like price point goes. So next I have a Gucci, but I went on the Gucci site. I did some research. So here is the dust bag that it came with. This is the Gucci Round Mini Marmot. So this is what she's looking like. Now the line stitching is on point from what I see on the Gucci website. So I'm not mad about that at all. The only thing is, I don't know, I haven't felt the authentic one, so I don't know how heavy, because this is very, very lightweight. Very lightweight. So I mean, the zipper is nice, but she's very lightweight. So we are stuffed with foam. But I mean, the inside smells really, really nice. There's your Gucci, and it's suede, so it feels good. And I honestly, I'm not mad about this. So, and then if anybody has one of these and they know, like, authentic wise, it seems very hollow and very light. Is that normal? So, what do you know about these bags? And are they lightweight? Is the chain lightweight so it doesn't take your arm off? Like, what is that looking like? But here is our Gucci Marmot Round Mini. And again, for price point, I'm sure 10 out of 10 recommend. What are you looking for? I put her back, I took her out, and then I put her back in the strap. Please be careful with your bags. The strap, it seems to be that the strap was like in front of her, so I have to leave her out so this crease goes away. So we don't want creases like that in our bags, so we have to protect them and care for them properly, and make sure that we're storing them nicely. Because even if you're not paying what people are actually paying, like, you're still investing in these bags, and they do have a high resale. Did I say that on camera? They do, like, you could rehome them and they still hold their value. So please take care of them. Please take care of your bags, because you don't want them to have that. Okay, so there is your Gucci Marmot. That I'm going to show from this particular person is a Chanel. This beauty came with all of the bells and whistles. You have the ribbon, you have the receipt, you have the authenticity card, and you do have your little flowers, so you can really set that up real cute. But here is our bag. And so something that I learned about Chanel, and when you get an authentic Chanel, their bags actually have a pocket in the flap of their dust bags, so you can put the chain up in the flap so it doesn't mark up the bag and indent the bag like I was talking to in the previous bag. So here is how she's looking. She's all wrapped up. And hi, princess. My daughter is going to come in here and try to take this bag. Well, we're going to have to find you another bag, because this one is not a play toy. No, you can't have it. Okay, go, Sissy. I'll talk to you after. Can you show my office door? Awesome, thank you. Okay, so here we are with our Chanel. This is my dream bag, pink with gold. Pink with gold. My dream bag. I have glass on my window so my daughter can still see me. Okay, so here is our flap mini. I don't know exactly the sizes, but all I know is it's gold and pink, and I absolutely love that. So let me open her up for you. This was a special request that I asked. I was like, I have one in gold or pink and silver, but I really wanted it with gold. So this is the length on this chain is looking really nice, packaged nicely. That's what she's looking like inside. And she's got the gold Chanel, if you can get in there, right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And authentic card, the little Chanel packet. I just want to use this bag. There's a zipper here. Nice. There's a little zipper right there. Gold hardware. Oh, just in love with this. Just in love with this. Really, 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 really love it. So just gorgeous. Feels great. Smells wonderful. Oh, gracious. Got makeup on there. So, do I dare take this off? There's one piece that I have to cut with scissors because there's tape at the bottom. But I'll get that in a second. But look at this chain. Look at this chain. Oh my gosh. The gold. The gold. Oh, so pretty. So there she is, you guys. The Chanel bag. I'm going to take the chain and put the chain back. This is how I store my bags, with the Chanel bags. I'm going to take the chain and I'm going to pop it right inside so it doesn't get the outside wonky. And usually we'll put this back as we're storing her, so keep these little items so you can store her properly. And I would find something to rest here, so I'll put her back in the bag. I don't need to put her back in the Chanel dressing or the paper. The what is that paper? This paper? Don't need to put her back in there because I'm probably going to be using her soon. But I'm going to wrap this in, leave it like that so the strap doesn't indent the purse. And then I'm just going to put her right back in her box. And boom, there she is. And this particular beautiful person that I got these from, please let me know if you want information. Go to my Instagram and DM me. But here we are with a Louis Vuitton box. I literally have not worn these because I've had to do the video particularly. But these are the slippers. Infamous slippers. They're so cute. So cute. So cute. Fuzzy. Fuzzy. And not much to say about these. They're hard. They look so great. Price point is amazing. Like, can't beat the price point. DM me if you want to know the price point. But very happy with them. Very happy with them. And they are true to size. They do come in a box. And she's looking like that. And that. So very simply. They come in different colors too. So if you're interested in those, please check the information below. And I hope you enjoyed this. DM me on Instagram if you have any questions. But thank you for joining on this episode. Talk to you soon.